So, so so what can industry and academia do in partnership that can help, you know, kids have, realistic career goals which are achievable and, should be taken from there. So what do you think?
See, I think the most common complaint industry says is people who come from graduates are not employable. Okay. So I think the focus should be on the right means inputs on right kind of skill developments.
Mm-hmm.
Because if you see the curriculum on many of the colleges also, right? Okay. Although they're supposed to be a computer science program. And but the depth of the program is not sufficient. So we talked about this part of the tier one, tier two, tier three. I mean, see, largely what we are focused on the fact is the quality of the curriculum. Okay, as to what's the level of skills that the people come with. Okay, how much of effort has to be put in. Okay, like we've largely hired as a product company. We are not. We are obviously looking at a good background in understanding programming. Okay, right. So from that perspective, we are focused on the kind of the course curriculum which is there. How relevant is it? The part of it, and what kind of projects do they do? Okay, within the college. I think what can help is like again every business, every industry needs a very different. Now at a part of the I mean even if you look at the uh, so I think from that perspective, probably a better collaboration of tie-ups, right? I mean, like the COEs, constructs which are there, right? Where companies are able to do that part of it. Okay, then it helps us to kind of get better skilled. Okay, perspective. I mean, just to see the part of it, we do run because we deal with all financial data. Okay, right. We have the part that we need to have. We have processing teams, right? Okay. Now here we have gone after BCom graduates or this thing parts of it, right? Okay. But then what we went in, we looked at the fact is a couple of colleges in Shimoga. We looked at a tie-up with them to say that as part of your curriculum, can you focus on some of these aspects slightly more? Okay. Right. It's not just the part of thing, right? That helped us to identify people, get candidates from them. But then we obviously committed to the fact is we will hire so many people on an annual basis. Correct. Okay. Now, which was the so it is not just about technology. It can be on different aspects that you look at as a organization, right? And our colleges, like I saw the fact is, I was I was just looking at the VIT courses and all this, right? I was very surprised to see that there is a specific programming on piping design in VIT.
Mm-hmm.
That is there.
Okay, right. Now, the little part is how many colleges offer this. Then I was thinking about why is it that a Pune company is offering piping design. Then I suddenly realized that a lot of the manufacturing, okay, is still very strong in Pune. Okay, the manufacturing will hold true in Pune, manufacturing might hold true in Chennai. So sometimes colleges also have to see that what is it which is in their industry that they want to attract to, right? What can they do better? Like, I mean, automotive is a big play, right? In Chennai, in Pune. Okay, or the factors, if I see this part of it, I do know factors. I think Shastra has a tie up with Microsoft.
Mm-hmm.
They've done a tie up with Google. Okay, on some of those centers they basically have people equipped from that perspective. So one approach is to kind of academia to have a generic competency
Mm-hmm.
programs, right? I mean, like in case of Rohit also, right? It's more garment and apparel. It's a very different thing. Maybe there's a partnership with NIFT, okay, National School of Fashion Design, right? Or there might be specific ones, right? Okay. Or chemical engineering where your dyes matter, right? The composition of it. So that would be a very, very specific part of it. So I think colleges also have to kind of say, this is my distinct USP, okay, that I offer you. Hmm. And then identify companies because then that becomes, so you're kind of co investing with the company. Okay.